How to cancel order on Taobao app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So you need to start by heading over to your application Taobao. After that, enter your login credentials as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now what you need to do is head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, you need to head over to Orders option. In this page, you will be able to see all of the orders that you have made on Taobao. Well, in order for you to cancel the orders, you will need to meet the criteria of Taobao cancellation. Once you're eligible to cancel it, then what you need to do is simply click on the order that you want to cancel. After that, at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of cancel. Click on it. After that, state the valid reason why you want to cancel it, and then tap on confirm. Once done, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.